Hey, third grade. Today we are going to be working on relationship tables. It's been a little while since we have done these, so I'm going to review what they are, and then you guys are going to complete 2 interactive slides by yourselves, and I'll go over those in a little bit. All right? So you might hear these called real-world relationships or relationship tables. Let's get started. There are 8 yogurt cups in each yummy yogurt package. Which table shows the number of yogurt cups in different numbers of these packages? Okay? There are 8 yogurt cups in each yummy yogurt package. Which table shows the number of yogurt cups in the different number of these packages? So, that means that in one package, there would be 8 cups. All right? In 2 packages, there would be how many cups? Good, there would be 16 cups. In 3 packages, there would be 24 cups. Okay? And remember, if you need to draw pictures of this, that is totally fine. So let me show you. One package, or actually let me make this a little bit bigger. One package has 8. 2 packages has 16. 3 packages has 24. All right? So this is what it would look like in your table. And then if you drew a picture, this is what it would look like, okay? What are we doing in each time we add a package? Yes, we're adding 8 more cups each time we add a package. So to get from 1 package to 8 cups, what operation do we do? Good, we're either going to be adding or multiplying because from here, this would be your input, and then something happens in the middle and your output. Okay, so when you put in 1 package, something happens and 8 cups pop out. So whatever happens right here in the middle of this imaginary machine has to happen in all of them. So 1 package to 8 cups. What can you do to get from 1 to 8? Good. We can either add 8 or multiply by 8. Oops, sorry, add 7 or multiply by 8 because 7 plus 1 equals 8. Or 1 plus 7 equals 8. But does 2 plus 7 equal 16? No, 2 plus 7 does not equal 16, so that can't be it. Does 1 times 8 equal 8? Good. Does 2 times 8 equal 16? Good. Does 3 times 8 equal 24? Good, it does. Okay, so our rule is we are multiplying by 8. So 4 times 8, does that equal 12? No, 4 times 8 does not equal 12. 4 plus 8 equals 12, but I'm multiplying. 4 times 8 equals, does anybody know? 4 times 8 equals 32, not 12. Okay, let's look at this one. 4 times 8 equals 32. Is that true? Yes, that is. 4 times 8 equals 40. Is that true? Or sorry, 6 times 8 equals 40. No, that is not true. 4 times 8 equals 32. We already said that that was true. 6 times 8 equals 48. Is that true? Yes, that is. 9 times 8, does that equal 72? Yes, it does. And 12 times 8 does equal 96. Okay, so all of these match what we need. 4 times 8 does not equal 8, so letter D is out. So here the answer is letter C. Now remember, if you're not understanding this though, you're like, Miss Garza, I'm not getting it. That's okay. Draw your picture. 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32. This would be times 6. 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. And this would be 6 packages. 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48. You could just keep on drawing your packages until you get to all of them. And you would just count. Each package has 8 cups of yummy yogurt. All right. So if you're not understanding how to get this multiply, or you don't know your multiplication facts, that is okay. We can draw our picture. But it's really, really important that we're practicing our multiplication facts every day because we use them all the time. We use them more than you think we use them. Okay? Going from my input to my output. When I have a smaller number going to my bigger number, I'm either going to be multiplying or adding. If I have a smaller number going to a bigger number, a bigger number going to a smaller number, I'm either going to be dividing or subtracting. Okay, and that can go both ways. So when the question is asking you to go from a small number to a big number, you're going to be multiplying or adding, and when it's asking you to go from a big number to a small number, you're either dividing or subtracting. Let's look at one more. All right. The table shows the number of balloons of different colors in 4 groups of balloons. So group L, M, N, and P. There are 25 red balloons, 5 blue. 35 red balloons, 7 blue. 45 red balloons, 9 blue. 60 red balloons, 12 blue. So in group L, when you have 25 red balloons, you have 5 blue balloons. Group M, 35 red balloons, is 7 blue balloons. N, 45 red balloons, is 9 blue balloons. And letter P, group P, 60 red balloons, is 12, blue balloons. Based on the relationship shown in the table, which statement is true? There are 2 times as many red balloons as blue balloons in each group. 2 times. When you hear 2 times or 5 times or 10 times, that is a multiplication. So you would multiply by 2. You would multiply, there are 2 times as many red balloons as blue balloons. So that means that 5 times 2 equals 25. Is that true? No, that is not true. There are 5 times as many red balloons as blue balloons. So I'm going to go for my blue balloons and multiply by 5. 5 times 5, does that equal 25? 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. Yes, that does. 7 times 5. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35. Yes? 9 times 5. I want you to do that one by yourself. Nine times 5 does equal 45. And I want you to multiply 12 times 5. Good, that does equal 60, okay? There are 10 times as many red balloons as blue balloons. That means that there's 10 times as many red as there are blue. So I'm going to take the number of blue and multiply by 10. 5 times 10 does not equal 25. There are 20 times as many red balloons as blue balloons. 5 times 20 does not equal 25. So the correct answer here is letter B. All right, so for your activity today, you have two slides. You have this one, and you're going to take these X's, and you're going to move them to the set that does not belong. So you have to figure out your rule, all right? You have to figure out what's happening from your in to your out, okay? So here you have your input-output going horizontal, and when we were working on it, we have our input-output table vertical. Same thing here. Okay, we have vertical. You need to be able to identify both of them. And you're going to take the X and move it to the one that does not apply to the rule in the table, okay? And then you're going to fill these in. This tells you diamond times 4 equals moon. So you're going to take your 6 times 4 equals 7 times 4 equals, you're just filling those in. The heart plus 9, so 9 plus 9, 11 plus 9, 13 plus 9, 15 plus 9. This one, your parallelogram divided by 6 equals your smiley face. So you have 12 divided by 6 equals something. 24 divided by 6 equals 48 divided by 6, and 54 divided by 6. This is your pentagon. Minus 7 equals your sun. So 10 minus 7, 12 minus 7, 14 minus 7, 15 minus 7, okay? And then this is your triangle times 8 equals your hexagon. 24 times 8, 26 times 8, 28 times 8, 30 times 8 equals your hexagon, all right? Please make sure that you're letting your teacher know if you have any questions or you need any help, and if you do need to be hopping on office hours.